been struggling with your anxiety a little bit more than normal, you are not alone. Millions of people out there are struggling right now. They're feeling overwhelmed and don't even know where to turn. Fortunately, I've got some tips for you. First of all, talk with your therapist. And if you don't have a therapist, reach out to us through your patient portal. We will get you hooked up with one. Second, explore those virtual support groups and make sure they're being supported, not, gossipy. Try those meditation apps and journaling. It does help. And of course, always, always, always keep this number in your pocket, 988. This is the Crisis Suicide Lifeline. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. There's a person here ready and willing to talk to you. If you're still struggling with your anxiety, it might be time to reach out to us through your patient portal. We can definitely get you hooked up with a therapist or support group, or even help you manage your treatment plan. We want to make sure that you are safe and sound out there and taking care of your mental health. Don't be embarrassed. Get help.